Hi guys, we'll just playing Do a Brainrot right there. Hi guys, we're just gonna play Straw Brainrot. That's all I really do. Oh, it's fake Straw Brainrot, it's modded. What just happened? Wait, oh my god, guys, why is the strawberry event on? Oh my god, oh my god, guys. Oh my god. Guys, I'm on fake steal a brainrot. Guys, the crazy thing is, I'm on fake steal brainrot, but on this fake steal brainrot, it's so hard to get strawberry elephant. Oh my god. Look how much strawberry elephants I have. I've been grinding on this fake strawberry rock game. This fake strawberry rock game has this like... Wait, what was I going to say? This fake strawberry rock game is modded. This will happen with everyone here. It will say Celadon, Claus and Ying Ying. It will say it to everyone. See that timer right there? And it says wait. See that timer right there? It doesn't move. So that timer is supposed to move. What? So and I can tell you why they moved it. They moved it because but let me just spin this. Oh, candy slap. Gotta go back. They moved it because people was hacking into the person who made this game and making him pro skip playing bots. So he blocked it so you can't actually use it. That's why the timer won't work. He blocked it so you can't actually use the admin panel. So the mod is still brainrot. You can get good brainrots on the carpet. It will just spawn good brainrots, but you can't actually use the admin panel anymore because Roblox blocked it and he blocked it. It blocked it, so the timer doesn't work. So nobody can hack into his account now. But yeah, so the thing is the carpet can spawn good brainrots. Look, it's spawning good brainrots right now. But oh my god, you know the strawberry elephant in this one? Like, it's a 0.1%. It's so hard. 0.1%. I have three of them. We have three of them right now. I have three of them. So let's go because I've been grinding. Because I have been playing this. I have played this game for so long. I've played this game so long. And I'm just so happy. I literally so happy. I'm so happy, bro. I never thought that actually happened. Yeah, this is bye. Bye, guys.